Hi friends, I'm so excited to show you this product for this winter. Came in this box and it's a CANBORY hated vest, warm in a style. So let's go open it. You can hear the user guide, the user manual. Okay, this is the vest. It's black. This is a small size, and it is. So let's go try it. The size is perfect. I'm a small size, and this is small size, and it's perfect to me. Have two pockets in this size with this zipper, this high quality materials. This one too. You can close it here and keep warm your neck. And the best part are this. This is the best part of my vest because you can use this battery right here and came with this cable. So you just open your vest, have another zipper in this part with this connection right here that you connect with this battery. This cable is for charge your battery. So you can see that my battery is on with these lights. I put it inside of the pocket. I'm gonna close my vest. And now we're gonna turn it on, this one, with this button right here. Look at that. It's turning on, and you can warm your vest. Your vest start to heat, and you can control the temperature, and you can control the light too. We can turn it off the light or turn it on. And with this one, you can control the temperature of your vest. And at this moment, I can feel warm in this part around my neck and in this part around my body. So I highly recommend this product if you live in a so cold place, or if you have so many activities to do outside in winter. This product is for you. See you.